Hello, everyone. My name is Felicia Bell, and I am welcoming you to the RDNS YouTube channel. To give a little backstory about myself, I was born and raised on a self-sufficient farm in the South, specifically the state of Mississippi. Before me, and even 40 plus years, we have been utilizing nature to take care of us. That's by way of the soil, of course, animals, domesticated animals, wild animals. We utilized everything. And so I just want to take you on a journey of learning those techniques and practices and methods that we utilize to sustain ourselves for generations. Some of the topics we will be discussing, of course, is homesteading, traditional agriculture, which basically is just chemical-free agriculture. That was the staple and foundation of our farm for generations, and I just want to share that with you as well. And then last, we're going to be assisting small and medium-sized farms, the large tract acreage type farms. Regardless if you 1 acre all the way up to hundreds of acres, we're here to assist you with anything that you need to make sure you get better at what you're doing. So many things that will be talked about pertaining to business, and then we're growing food and raising animals for the health. So we will dive into some health and wellness things as well. So stick around, stay tuned to more videos.